75% of the world population is suffering under some form of lactose intolerance. This means there are fewer of the enzyme lactase, which is responsible for digesting the sugar lactose. As a consequence, unlike at lactose-tolerant persons, lactose cannot be digested and reaches therefore the large intestine, which will then lead to some side effects. Nowadays, you can avoid this by either taking lactase enzyme supplementation, which often gives variable results due to the aggressive pH conditions in the stomach harming the enzyme. Or you can avoid milk products, which is not very consumer friendly. Or lastly, you can consume lactose-free dairy products, which often taste differently. But don't be desperate. With our present project, we propose you another solution. My name is Yoran Beldengrün. After obtaining my master degree of biomedical engineering at the ETH Switzerland, I moved to Barcelona, Spain to develop my PhD at the Institute of Advanced Chemistry of Catalonia in the research group of Jordi Esquena. We will try to formulate lactase directly into food in order people having lactose intolerance can digest lactose just as any other person as well.
Yes, but be careful because the enzyme should be encapsulated, otherwise the low pH in the stomach would inactivate it. Moreover, the enzyme should be released in the intestine at a slightly basic pH.
Right. Therefore we thought about a smart, protective and edible carrier. Let me show it to you. Hydrogels made out of biopolymers, like you can find them in jelly sweets, could be perfect carriers. They are protective, but also smart, as they can swell or dissolve, depending on the external stimuli. These protective hydrogels will be so small, in the order of microns, that you don't even see them in your food. They are called microgels, and you can see on the right hand side of this picture how they look like under the microscope. Once you consume your food, the microgels together with the lactose will reach the stomach, where the aggressive pH conditions will destroy the outer protector. Continuing the digestion path, the vehicles come to the intestine with a neutral pH. This will lead that the inner protector gives up its function and releases the lactase, which will go straight ahead to digest lactose. And this is the aim of this PhD project. Salud! This PhD, that I'm currently developing at the Institute of Advanced Chemistry of Catalonia, is part of an EU-funded Marie Curie project called BIBAFOODS. 14 researchers distributed over 11 institutions in Europe are all working on a similar topic. We all try to incorporate enzymes or probiotic bacteria into food, creating like this functional food. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact me.